Now to install RAM, you'll take your stick of RAM. In this case it's DDR3, but it's the same applied standard with every single one. Best way to do it with everything is to see the different sizes. See the different size on the ports. And start with the first one, if it's a dual channel. And stick it in, and you push on both sides even until the click is. And it can be quite rough, quite hard to get it in. That's fine, just evenly push on both sides. And if it's quad channel, there will be a second and a fourth port. Always put it in the second and the fourth. And then if you have running all four, you want second, fourth, one, and third. Because the second and fourth are tied and the first and the third are tied, but always put start in the second and fourth, or else the computer will not work.